NCERT Class 8 Topic 1.2.2 Properties of Rational Numbers. Commutativity. Part A, Addition. We go to some examples. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5 equal to, we take the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10, and then we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. So 1 times 5 is 5 plus 5 times 2 equal to 10, and we multiply 3 by 2, which gives us 6. This gives us 11 upon 10. Now we change the order of 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. We write 3 upon 5 first plus 1 upon 2, and then we solve again. The LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Then 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 5 is 10 and 5 times 1 is 5. This again gives us 11 upon 10. Thus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2. So we can say that the rational numbers are commutative. We go to another example. Minus 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 2. For solving, we take LCM of 7 and 2, which is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. So we multiply 2 by minus 2, which gives us minus 4 plus 2 times 7 is 14, and 7 times 5 is 35. Minus 4 plus 35 gives us 31 upon 14. Now we change the order of minus 2 upon 7 and 5 upon 2. Thus 5 upon 2 plus minus 2 upon 7 equal to, we take the LCM of 7 and 2, which is 14, and 2 times 7 equal to 14. Thus we multiply 7 by 5, which gives us 35 plus, now we divide 14 by 7, we get 2, then 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. This gives us 35 plus minus 4 equal to 31 upon 14. So by changing the order, our result doesn't change. So we can write here, thus minus 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 2 equal to 5 upon 2 plus minus 2 upon 7. And thus addition is commutative for rational numbers, that is, for any two rational number a and b, a plus b equal to b plus a. We check the commutativity for subtraction. We go to the examples. 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 7 equal to, the LCM of 5 and 7 is 14. Then we get 2 times 7 equal to 14. Therefore 5 multiplied by 7 is 35, and 7 times 2 is 14. Therefore 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. This gives us 35 minus 6, which is 29 upon 14. Now we change the order of these two rational numbers, and we write 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 2 This gives us the LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 minus 2 times 7 is 14. Therefore, 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35. This gives us 6 minus 35 gives us minus 29 upon 14. Thus, 29 upon 14 is not equal to minus 29 upon 14. Hence, 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 7 is not equal to 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 2. Thus, subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. We are going to check commutativity for multiplication, and we go to examples. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 12. Now we change the order of these two rational numbers and we write 5 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. This gives us 5 upon 12. So we find that 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. We go to another example. 9 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 2. This gives us 45 upon 14. Now we change the order of these two rational numbers and we write 5 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 7, and this again gives us 45 upon 14. Thus we can write 9 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 7. Thus we find that by changing the order of rational numbers for multiplication, the result doesn't change. Thus multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a multiplied by b equal to b multiplied by a. Part D, we check the commutativity for division and we go to the examples. 5 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 2 give us 10 upon 7, and we change their order now and we write 1 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 7. This gives us 7 upon 10. Thus we see that 5 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 2 is not equal to 1 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 7. Hence, division is not commutative for rational numbers. We go to another example to prove the same. 3 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 7 give us 21 upon 20. And now we change their order. 5 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 4. On solving we get 20 upon 21. And we see that 21 upon 20 is not equal to 20 upon 21. Hence we write that 3 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 7 is not equal to 5 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 4. Thus, division is not commutative for rational numbers. Here we complete this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.